Welcome to part 11 of Tricky Spring Boot interview shots. Today we tackle DevOps-aware Spring Boot topics like CI/CD, test containers, Swagger, etc. How do you use test containers in Spring Boot test? The question was asked in Cvent and Infosys. Let me wait for your answer. How do you set up a basic CI/CD pipeline for a Spring Boot app using GitHub Actions? The question was asked in TCS and Nagarro. Let me wait for your answer. How do you expose metrics to Prometheus in Spring Boot app? The question was asked in Accenture. Let me wait for your answer. How do you integrate Grafana with Spring Boot metrics? The question was asked in Infosys. Let me wait for your answer. How do you generate Swagger Open API docs in Spring Boot? The question was asked in Nagarro and TCS. Let me wait for your answer. That was part 11, hands-on Spring Boot questions around testing, CI/CD, monitoring and API documentation. In part 12, we'll dive into Spring Security, OAuth 2 and role-based access in the real-world system. Hit subscribe and follow if you want to crack the next big interview.